And so, it's the weekend and we are headed to Fujairah. So as we drive, the landscape slowly changes. The desert gives way to rugged mountains, ancient, silent, and watching. The city fades behind us, traded for winding roads and open skies. There's something different in the air, like freedom or maybe just the thrill of getting lost with good friends and no real plan. A deep, endless blue brushing up against black stone cliffs and golden sand. We race to the shore like kids again, laughing, barefoot, letting the salt and sun wash over everything heavy we carried here. Snoopy Island. The mountain rock just popping outside the ocean is crazy. And watch the sunrise from between the mountains. So good, man. Then the ocean appears, suddenly and endlessly. Time moves differently here. There's no schedule, just sunsets melting over water. We also caught some fish, but we let it go. Bit of a boat ride. We usually do some snorkeling or spearfishing, but that's for a different video. Fujairah gave us more than just a weekend. It gave us a pause, a memory, a reminder that sometimes the best version of yourself is the one surrounded by nature and friends. So yeah, this was Fujairah, and we'll be back with more cool videos. Let me know what you think about the video, and hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, oh yeah, and hit that bell icon. You know the drill. All right, see ya.